Hi and welcome back to Jamaica Homes. Today we are at the Marina Villa luxury beachfront development located in Drax, St. Anne's. So the Marina Villa offers a double-gated community with its long drive leading to the main gate security entrance. So whilst we are driving up to the main entrance, just want to remind you to like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you never miss another video. So just to let you know, the Marina Village offers a private beach, which is behind me, as you can see, which is just absolutely stunning. It also offers its own swimming pool as well, private swimming pool. The villa also offers its own personal gym. I'm going to introduce you to Nash, who's going to talk a bit about his role here at Marina Villas and a bit about the facilities that is offered here. Over to you, Nash.
Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm Nash, the security officer here. Welcome to the Marina's Villa, where it's a beautiful place for both single and family, which we have, as you can see, in the play area for, as I said, kids and also for the family, and which we do have the sea up front with the swimming pool, and as you can see, it's utility free in the here. Yeah, so we have like utilities run underground, nothing to worry about. It is well safe here. As I said, security, you have the 24-hour security. We have our response team, which is marksman. Okay, everyone, I'm out.
Perfect. Thank you, Nash, for that. That's great. Okay, so we're going to go and take a tour inside one of the villas now. So this villa is still being refurbished. This villa is still permanently done. As you can see, it's an open space kitchen, open space dining area. The villa offers a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. The villa starting price is at $470,000 US. The villa can be used as a holiday home, investment property, or a home to enjoy and live in. So I'm not going to say any more for now. I'm just going to let the villa speak for itself and you make your own view as to what you think. the wash area, which is still in the making, being completed. And the toilets as well, the powder room. And then we have the back door, which leads outside into the garden area. And upstairs, there is stairs that lead also upstairs to the top of the terrace as well. Which is a nice space for entertainment as well. So up here, a nice roof terrace. Great space for entertaining any guests or just chilling out and taking the views of the mountains, sea which is straight down there. Then you can also access the villa through the door as you would have parked your car along here as well. So you've got access into the villa right here, which leads into the kitchen, which is locked at the moment, but yeah, you can access it through there. It actually leads through to utility room, stroke storage. This is a driveway, which looks like it can consist of about 2 cars, and also as you extend back, about 3 to 4 cars is likely to fit on this lovely long driveway. Such a beautiful, lovely villa. If you are interested in purchasing a villa, please check out the Marina Villa website where you can make your necessary inquiries. St Anne's is the largest parish in Jamaica. It is situated on the north coast of the island in the country of Middlesex, roughly halfway between the eastern and western ends of the island. It is often called the Garden Parish of Jamaica on account of its natural floral beauty. Its capital is St Anne's Bay, and a typical feature of St Anne's is its caves and skin holes such as Green Grotto Caves, Bat Cave and Diary Cave, to name a few. I just want to thank you for joining us again at Jamaica Homes, and just to remind you to like, share, comment and turn on your post notification. Until next time, stay blessed.